Hi, welcome to Monzale Therapy. What can we do for you today? You need an outfit. That's a good start. So, what kind of outfit are you looking for? Oh, you want to attend your ex wedding, but you need an outfit to show him you've moved on. Wait, have you moved on? You haven't? Are you sure you want to attend the wedding? Oh, you're sure? Just making sure. All right, you want to attend the wedding, so you want a revenge outfit or I'm at peace outfit? Girl, I don't know if you're in the right place, but how much of a revenge are we talking about? We go all out. It's your ex and he's getting married. Are you sure? You're 100% sure. Oh, we just want to make sure we can make you an outfit. Girl, you want to make sure he remembers you. There's more details to this. All right. So you want a revenge outfit that's going to make you look so hot that your ex is never forget about you. Basically remember you for the rest of his life while he's getting married to someone else. I'll see what I can do. I'll see you Tuesday. Bye. Next.